absolute shocker coming out of Uttar Pradesh now, where a corona-positive patient walked out of a prestigious government hospital in UP's Prayagraj city. Just 24 hours after he was admitted to the facility, his body was found in some bushes just about 500 meters or so from the hospital. His family is alleging negligence and apathy on the part of the government hospital. They question the administration about how he could have just walked out and why indeed he died. The hospital, for their part, maintains that he was actually recovering.
स्वरूप रानी हॉस्पिटल की लापरवाही की वजह से आज मेरे पापा नहीं। वहाँ इतनी लापरवाही होती है, वहाँ पेशेंट्स के साथ मिसबिहेव किया जाता है, हैरेसमेंट किया जाता है। मेरे पापा से बोला गया कि अगर ज़्यादा बात करोगे तो तुमको इधर उधर कर देंगे और किसी से बात भी नहीं करने देंगे। इसी वजह से मेरे पापा वार्ड छोड़ के बाहर चले गए और इसमें प्रशासन ने कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं ली।
उनकी अच्छी देखभाल की जा रही थी और उनको तबीयत में काफ़ी सुधार भी हो रहा था। अचानक कल शाम को 4 बजे वहाँ से बाहर जाने लगे। तब वहाँ पर कार्य ड्यूटी में जो डॉक्टर्स थे उन्होंने उनको रोका। तब तक वो समझ पाते वो आगे निकल गए। इसके बाद जब देख के बाहर जा रहे तो पीछे पीछे वो गए, बाहर तक गए और बाहर तक जाने के बाद भी वो आगे निकल गए, वापस नहीं आए। तब उन्होंने पुलिस चौकी में एक लिखित रूप से उनको सूचना दिया।
Alok Pandey joining us with the latest on that. Alok, what are we really hearing about this case? It seems so mysterious that a man would be able to just walk out of, one of Prayagraj's most prestigious government facilities, and why would he die? It all seems so mysterious.
Well, you're absolutely right. This is not just any hospital. This is the Swaroop Rani Nehru Hospital in Prayagraj. And this is a level 3 COVID facility, meaning that ventilators are here, the serious patients, or at least those patients with symptoms are taken here, which would then mean that a team of doctors and some security would always be on call at such a hospital. And yet you have that CCTV footage that we must be showing, where you have this person just walking out of the hospital almost casually on Saturday evening, and 24 hours later he's found dead. There is also a purported audio clip, Ankita, a reported conversation between this patient and his family on Saturday morning, hours before he actually walked out of the hospital. And in that you can actually have him say, you actually have or reportedly have that person say that I spent the night with oxygen. So he was given oxygen, but he said that, I was getting a feeling of suffocation and I tried to call out for some staff to come and help me, but no one did. He also says in the same purported audio clip that food is not being given, and that when I'm calling out for food, nothing is being sent. So his family members then again say that, look, we'll send you the food. So that conversation also purportedly took place. And the fact is that he walked out of that hospital. The administration is claiming that, look, the doctors initially did not realize what was going on. And when the man actually walked out, they tried to pursue him. I can't see it in that CCTV footage, but that's what the doctors and the hospital administration is saying. And they then claim that by the time they managed to go to the main gate of the hospital, he'd already escaped and there was no trace of him. It's incredible that 24 hours later, his body is found just 500 meters away from this hospital in a bush outside the residence of a police officer. The daughter of this man is now on record to say that, look, there was apathy, there was negligence, and there was misbehavior on part of the health staff at the hospital, and that's why her father walked out of that hospital or tried to escape that hospital. The hospital administration is denying it, as we heard in the soundbite of that the gentleman in charge of that hospital. But this is not the first time, Ankita, that this hospital has faced allegations. A few days ago, there was another video that went viral, where you have the audio, or you have this man, crying out for help, and he was somebody who was COVID positive and he had complications or comorbidities also. And then reportedly or allegedly nobody came to his help and he died later. Even in that case, the hospital had denied any allegations of negligence, Ankita.